Hello everyone, take a section from the top, make 2 braids out of it and then make 2 braids in the side and then join them together respectively. For our next hairdo, make 4 sections and then braid the bottom, interchange them, join them to the top, make 2 braids, roll them up and add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a hair stick, wrap the hair around the hair stick and then make a bun out of it. Next, take the front section of the hair and then make 2 braids out of it. Use a hair stick to tie them in place. Take 2 sections from the back and then twist them at the back. Roll them upwards, tie them around the braid and then adjust it accordingly. Tie a ribbon to it once you are done. For our next hairdo, take the top section of the hair and make 2 braids out of it. Make a heart shape and then roll the top hair upwards after making a braid. Add a bow. For our next hairdo, take a section of the top, tie a rubber band to it. Take 2 more sections from the side, add another rubber band. Repeat this until you reach the bottom and then make a braid. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair into place. Take a section from the front and add multiple rubber bands. Take a section from the middle at the back and then use some hair twine and make a bun shape out of it. Adjust the hair accordingly. Braid the bottom. For our next hairdo, tie a rubber band and make a ponytail. Divide this ponytail into 3 sections and start by making a braid. This braid is slightly different. We will be making a partition in one of the sections and then including the hair through that section. For our next hairdo, make 2 braids at the bottom, tie a ponytail with the rest of the hair, then take a bun stick, roll the hair around it and adjust the bun. Add a decorative rubber band. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the top, tie a rubber band to it, take 2 more sections from either side right underneath it and tie it up. Do this until you reach the bottom. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail, then add a ribbon through it. Divide the hair into 2 parts and then, now using the sections of the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Rotate this to form a bun. Then tie it up and make a bow-like shape at the top. For our next hairdo, section off the top of the hair and clip it up. Tie 3 ponytails at the bottom. Join them together as such, roll them upwards and then braid the top, roll it up. For our next hairdo, tie a ponytail and then make 3 braids out of it. Roll one of the braids into a bun-like shape and make a heart shape out of the other 2. Add a bow. For our next hairdo, take the top section of the hair and then roll it up into a bun shape. Make 2 braids out of the bottom. Add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Divide the hair into 4 portions at the bottom, add multiple rubber bands, join it to the top. Then for the top, make 2 divisions, twist the hair and then make a bun. Add a decorative clip to it. For our next hairdo, make multiple braids out of the top portion of the hair. Once you are done with this, add small mini decorative clips. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.